Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th maths chapter Exponents and Radicals part 2. So we'll continue the learning of the laws of exponents. So our fifth law is if a raised to n into b raised to n is given if powers are same but bases are different, then only we will take the bases and multiply them and whole raised to n. We will write it as ab whole raised to n like this. This is the fifth law. I hope you have understood this law. Now, the sixth law. A raised to m upon b raised to m is equal to what? Now, in this, if powers are same but different, but bases are different, in division, so we will take the powers common, means a divided by b whole raised to m, like this. This is the sixth law. Now the most important law, that is seventh law. It is any number, means a raised to 0. So a raised to 0 means any number or whole expression with bracket raised to 0 is equal to 1. Every time any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So a raised to 0 is also 1. I'll give an example. 9x minus 72y whole raised to 0. Whole raised to 0 means this whole will take as a, will assume a raised to 0, and any number or any expression raised to 0 is 1. So 9x minus 72y whole raised to 0 is 1. Here one point says that only 0 raised to 0 is not defined. Now the reason why 0 raised to 0 is not defined, we'll learn this in next chapter, in another chapters. Till that you only have to remember that any number raised to 0 is 1, but 0 raised to 0 is not defined. I hope you've understood all these properties, laws. Now we will now we will move to their expansions. Now we'll take an example. If given is, the question is given like a raised to 4 into a raised to 5. Now we will remember that identity we have learned in first part, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. At the place of m there is 4 and at the place of n there is 5. The base is same, that is a. Now by remembering this all, a raised to 4 plus 5, that is equal to a raised to 4 plus 5 is 9, so therefore answer is a raised to 9. One more question, that is second example. It says that (5a) whole raised to minus 7. So in this, any number raised to minus 7 is a raised to minus m. Will take the identity. It tells that we have to take negative sign as 1 and the whole number as it is except negative sign, 1 upon a raised to m. So this will become, according to the question, it will become 1 upon 5a 1 upon 5a raised to 7, like this. If another question is given like nine ab whole raised to minus 1 by 3. So here we can see the power has negative sign, also it is in fraction. So anytime like this, in like this type of equations, we have to reciprocal the number in the bracket. So we'll write 1 upon 9ab whole raised to 1 by 3. The power will remain as it is, but by reciprocaling, the negative sign will get disappeared, like this. I hope you have understood this. Now in part 3 we'll solve some more questions starting from 1. Question number 1. These were the examples. In next part we'll solve questions. I hope you've understood this part 2. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. I hope you've understood this. Thank you for watching.